Are you tired of wondering what chemicals might be lurking in your kitchen appliances? Do you find yourself questioning whether that crispy fried food is really worth the potential health risks from toxic coatings? Have you been searching for an air fryer that won't compromise your family's well-being while still delivering those perfectly golden, crispy results we all crave? If you've been asking these questions, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of non-toxic air fryers to help you make the healthiest choice for your kitchen. Number 5. Sur La Table SE-1712. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Sur La Table SE-1712, a multifunctional air fryer oven that promises versatility with its 13-quart capacity and 7 different cooking functions. This model features 360 airflow technology and comes with an impressive array of accessories, including rotisserie forks, air fry trays, and a rotating drum basket. The unit boasts 1,700 watts of power and includes 16 convenient cooking presets for everything from bacon to whole chicken. During my testing phase, I found the Sur La Table SE-1712 to be reasonably capable in terms of cooking performance, particularly when using the rotisserie function for chicken wings. The left swing door design does make accessing food easier compared to traditional pull-down doors. And the angled touchscreen display is intuitive enough for most users to navigate without constantly referring to the manual. The interior light is a nice touch that helps you monitor your food's progress without opening the door. However, my experience with this model revealed several concerning issues that ultimately landed it at the bottom of our non-toxic list. The most significant problem I encountered was with the power switch reliability. Similar to other users' experiences, I found that the unit would occasionally fail to turn on, requiring me to jiggle the door handle to get it working. This issue became increasingly frustrating during longer cooking sessions, as the unit would sometimes stop mid-cycle, forcing me to restart the cooking process. Number 4. Ninja AF141. Moving up to number 4, we have the Ninja AF141 Air Fryer Pro, a compact 5-quart model that focuses on simplicity and speed. This air fryer stands out for its straightforward design with just 4 cooking modes: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The unit features a ceramic-coated crisper plate, which is a step in the right direction for non-toxic cooking, and its compact footprint makes it suitable for smaller kitchens. The Ninja AF141 impressed me with its cooking speed and temperature stability during testing. The unit preheats quickly and maintains consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process, which is crucial for achieving predictable results. The basket design is efficient, offering more surface area than some competitors with similar capacity, allowing for better food arrangement in a single layer. The ceramic coating on the crisper tray is definitely preferable to traditional PTFE coatings from a health perspective. During my testing, I found the air frying performance to be quite good for basic foods like chicken wings and vegetables. The high maximum fan speed helps achieve crispy results relatively quickly, and the unit's temperature stability means you can follow recipes with confidence. The compact design is genuinely space efficient, and despite its small footprint, the basket provides adequate cooking space for 2 to 3 people. However, several limitations became apparent during extended use that prevent this model from ranking higher on our non-toxic list. Number 3. Chefman TurboFry. At number 3, we have the Chefman TurboFry, a 5-quart air fryer that has gained popularity for its simplicity and quiet operation. This model features a compact design with basic air fry presets and a temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What immediately caught my attention during testing was how remarkably quiet this unit operates compared to most air fryers on the market. The Chefman TurboFry excels in several key areas that make it a solid choice for non-toxic cooking. The unit's quiet operation is genuinely impressive. During my testing, I measured noise levels that barely registered above normal conversation volume 6. This makes it perfect for open-concept kitchens or early morning cooking when you don't want to wake the household. The non-stick surfaces are dishwasher safe, and the overall build quality feels sturdy and reliable. During my cooking tests, the TurboFry performed admirably with proteins like shrimp and chicken. the unit heated evenly, and I was pleased to find that the exterior remained cool to the touch while efficiently retaining heat inside 6. The simple control design with just temperature and timer dials appeals to users who prefer straightforward operation without complicated preset menus. The 60-minute timer provides plenty of flexibility for longer cooking tasks, and the unit's compact footprint makes it an excellent space saver. The cooking results were generally satisfactory, producing decent quality fried foods with good texture and flavor. Number 2. COSORI CAF-DC601 TurboBlaze. Taking the second spot is the COSORI TurboBlaze CAF-DC601, a 6-quart air fryer that represents a significant step up in both features and performance. This model stands out with its DC motor technology that enables 5 different fan speeds, making it one of the most versatile air fryers I've tested. The unit features a wide temperature range from 90 Fahrenheit to 450 Fahrenheit and includes specialized turbo modes for maximum performance. The COSORI TurboBlaze impressed me immediately with its build quality and thoughtful design features. The slanted control panel on top of the unit is much easier to read and operate compared to front-mounted controls. And the variety of fan speeds opens up cooking possibilities that simply aren't available with single-speed models. During testing, I found the multiple fan speeds particularly useful for different cooking methods: high speeds for crisping and low speeds for dehydrating or baking delicate items. The cooking performance of this unit is genuinely excellent. The 6-quart capacity provides ample space for families of 4, and the basket's large surface area allows for better food arrangement compared to many competitors. During my testing, foods like chicken wings, French fries, and vegetables consistently came out evenly browned and crispy, with minimal under- or overcooked portions. The unit's ability to quickly reach high temperatures and maintain them throughout cooking makes it particularly effective for achieving restaurant-quality results at home. Number 1. GreenPan Elite Convection Air Fry Oven. Taking the top spot on our non-toxic air fryer countdown is the GreenPan Elite Convection Air Fry Oven, and after extensive testing, it's clear why this unit stands head and shoulders above the competition. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete countertop cooking solution that combines air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, and even slow cooking in one PFAS-free package. What immediately sets the GreenPan apart is its commitment to truly non-toxic cooking. The unit features GreenPan's proprietary Thermalon ceramic non-stick coating, which is completely free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. During my testing, this coating proved to be not only safe, but also highly effective, with food releasing easily and cleanup being remarkably simple. The spacious 1 cubic foot interior can accommodate a 9 by 13 baking pan, toast 6 slices of bread, or air fry up to 4 pounds of food. The cooking performance of this unit is simply outstanding. The 6 quarts heating elements combined with convection fans create what GreenPan calls hex heat technology, which distributes heat incredibly evenly throughout the cooking chamber. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by how uniformly foods cooked. Whether I was air frying sweet potato fries, baking banana bread, or roasting vegetables. The unit's ability to reduce cooking times by up to 20 minutes compared to traditional ovens while maintaining superior results is genuinely remarkable. Final thought, that's all for today.